Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel and shout out sa mga newlyweds, small families, or even sa mga single who are not into massive properties because this property behind me is a 2-story modern design residential located in an exclusive subdivision here in Angeles City. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Let's start sa ating facade. I think this is dedicated to all, yung nga sabi ko, newlyweds, small families, or mga first-time home buyers dahil very, I would say, basic na kailangan mo sa isang property, nandito na lahat. At wala siya doon sa sobrang massive na, hindi siya massive, and even the price range will be attainable sa mga first-time home buyers natin. The property has a 120 square meters lot area and ang floor area natin is 170 square meters. Even yung maintenance, madabilis din kasi hindi siya ganun kalaki. So, mas madaling linisan, mas madaling ayusin. Sa harap natin, very straightforward. This is your parking area. Yan, nasa likod ko. Parking for 2. And makikita nyo naman yung design dyan. Meron tayong balcony sa taas. Malalaman natin or makikita natin kung ano ang nandyan na room. Pero feeling ko alam naman na ninyo. Dito tayo sa ating service gate. Diba? Ang ganda ng design ng ating gate. Linear metal lang yung nandyan. The color, masculine yung dating. Pero pagpasok nyo guys, very elegant naman din ang ating property. Let's go inside. Pagpasok nyo, you have a simple pocket garden. Ayokong apakan, baka masira yung halaman natin. At ang ganda ng landscape niya, 'di ba? Very simple, minimalist. Pwede mong dagdagan if gusto mong dagdagan. At hindi siya ganoon kaliit. Marami ka pang malalagay kung gusto mo pang dagdagan ng mga plants. Lakad ako sa ating parking area. Fully covered. Parking for 2. Van, sedan, SUV. Kung gusto mo ng van, motor, pwede. Painted wall with a LED lamp. At meron kang, this is your drying area, I assume. At pwede mo rin siyang additional garden. Kung gusto mong dagdagan ng mga ng mga halaman dito. Mamaya ko papakita yung dito. Dito kasi ang ating dirty kitchen, laundry. Pero I just want you to appreciate kung gaano kaluwang ang side. Diba? You have a drying area. And this can also be additional garden. If gusto mong gawing garden, if you want to change yung mga stones natin dyan, you add artificial grass or even Carabao or Bermuda. That is perfect. Okay. Dito naman, nakikita nyo, may window dito, may accent wall tayo dyan. Just to add an accent dito sa ating parking area. Kasi we have a plain painted wall there, a dark painted wall here. So, yan, pandagdag accent lang din. And also, ayan yung, that is a room sa ating ground floor, yung window na yan. Pasok tayo. Elevated, pero very simple. Meron ka na rin ganito. Kasi yung mga iba, hinahanap nila yung ganitong, ano bang tawag dito? Screen door. Very Pinoy, very Filipino kasi, di ba? So, ayan. At wide ang window mo dito to your living area. Pasok na tayo. This is semi-furnished. So, meron tayong mga furniture and those are all included. Let's go! And, di ba? Pagpasok mo, very homey. Very straightforward. Sara ko to ha, para makita nyo yung space dito. Maluwang pa. Tapos, you have a clear glass here para kung gusto mong silipin. Ayaw mong dun sumilip sa isang window. Dito kasi silip. To see kung sino yung tao dyan. This is your living area. I moved this kanina, pero let's move it here. Ayan, para mas makita nyo kung gaano kaluwang. Tapos you have a view of your garden. Pwede mo itong lagyan ng curtain or blinds. Very straightforward ang design natin. Living area. Kasama na rin po to. And ang ganda naman ng ceiling. Hindi ko to napansin ha. Yung ceiling natin, meron siyang wood accent. And then, ang kanyang center light, para siyang hashtag na dating niya. Okay. This is your TV console or TV rack. Ito yung pinaka-accent. Actually, pinaka-accent mo is your... For me, it's the ceiling. Your accent na, dito tayo sa living area. Meron kang... you can mount your TV here. Pwede mo na ipatong dito. May shelf ka dyan. And meron kang cabinet dito sa side. Diba? Ideal for first-time home buyers. Kasi maraming naghahanap ng basic na bahay, basic na design ng bahay. The price range kasi is really good. Kaya mabilis to sa market, guys. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, tumawag na kayo nauna. Pagkapanood nyo. The cabinet. The cabinet. Saan ko galing yung cabinet? Meron kang cabinet dito. May mga shelves ka rin dyan. And then you have a space here for anything you want. Pwede ka maglagay ng additional cabinet dito, tapos may socket ka dyan, or you want to put a lamp, pwede rin naman. Ito na tayo. Dito na tayo sa ating dining area. Ang perfect talaga nito for first-time home buyers. Tsaka yung mga viewers natin, subscribers natin na naghahanap ng property na walang pool. Ayaw kasi nila yung may pool eh. Tapos gusto nila yung madaling linisan. This property is for you. This is your dining area, 6-seater dining set. Ang ganda pa ng table natin. Your drop light emphasizes yung iyong table. And here, makikita mo meron kang view dito sa iyong backyard. Na this can also be your drying area. Kung gusto mo yung kabilang side ay iyong garden. I just want to show you yung under your stairwell. You have space here. You can put a built-in cabinet. This can also be your fur baby's corner. Diba? Ganda. At least hindi sila basta-basta, maaapakan, matatamaan. But if you want to put built-in cabinets, pwede rin tayo dyan. Pwede rin yung built-in cabinet dyan. Few steps from your dining area. This is your kitchen, your formal kitchen. These are included. Ang ganda rin ng ating, I think, push release to. Oh, push release nga. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng push release kasi very minimalist. Walang handle. Ganyan siya. So nice. And you have your wood accent with your pin lights sa yung ceiling. So cool kasi brown, dark brown siya. And then yung cabinets mo, light brown. So mas kita yung laki. No? There's a contrast. Your double bowl stainless steel sink. And ang yung, ano kasing color ito? Parang galaxy black. Kasi may sparkling something siya dun. Drawers. Ito. Ayan. For your condiments, mayroon ka pa rin mga... it's not massive, pero ang storage mo, hindi ka rin naman magkukulangan because you have a lot of storage here. Doon sa may living area mo, may storage ka rin doon. There's also a portion here that you can add more cabinets or another cabinet kung gusto mo. Kompleto tayo dyan. Condiments mo, kasyang-kasya dito. You have here pa. Diba? Your ref is included. You also have this side. How do I open this? Ayun. Ay, ang ganda nito. Diba? Pantry. So cool. And then, tas madali pang linisan. Nakita nyo ba? Di ba nasa kitchen na tayo? Sobrang daling linisan from your living area. This is your room. Okay. This can be your office. This can be a stock room. And this can also be a staff room. Pwede yung maid's room dito. Kasi kasya yung single bed here. Square type siya. Pag nakita nyo, it may seem like small but it's not. Kasi it has ample space for your bed. And an ample space for your vanity mirror, cabinet sa side na to, or dresser. Yan. Tapos pag nandito siya, makikita niya, ay, nandiyan na sina sir, ma'am. O, di ba? Di ba may nagpa-park na sa kita mo na agad. At ang maganda pa dito, even if malaki yung window niya. So, kung ayaw niyang mag-aircon or wala siyang aircon, meron siyang fan, gusto niya na yung nakabukas to, pwede. You can add a curtain or blinds. Ganda pa ng window natin. Ay, ng ating door. Your solid door. So cool. Next, this is your full bath. Ay, okay. So cute naman ang full bath natin. Your full bath, you have your sink, toilet of course, tapos yung partition mo, floor to ceiling, yung ating partition. your glass partition, floor-to-ceiling tiles. Of course, yung sa side natin, sa wall natin, glossy. Sa floor naman natin, textured siya. Your niche. And you also have your stainless steel shower set. Hindi siya masikip. Sakto lang ang size niya. Diba? Pwede ka pa nga maglagay ng trash bin dito eh. Ang ganda, malaki pa yung ano natin, malaki pa yung ating mirror. Okay. Pakita ko yung kaninang side kung saan ako, sabi ko, papakita ko yung laundry area and your dirty kitchen. This is the door going to your dirty kitchen and your laundry area. At paglabas mo, ayan. Kung nasan kayo, dyan yung another space kanina kung saan ako lumakad. So, dyan yun, maluwang pa. At this is your, ang laki ng dirty kitchen. Tignan mo naman. And may nakaabang na dito for your LPG. Pag maglalagay ka ng stove dito, tapos may socket ka rin dyan, may sink ka dito. At dito naman ang iyong laundry area. Ayan. You also have another drying area here. Yeah, drying area. If you want the other side kanina na maging another garden mo, pwedeng dito yung drying area mo or pwede rin dito yung garden mo. Para kung marami kang halaman, may view. Ang ganda, pwede dito. Maglagay ka na maraming halaman para may view from your dining area. Kasi dito yung sa dining area mo. May view from your dining area. Tapos may mga halaman ka. Ayan, dito yung kanina. Taran! Ayan. That goes to your carport. Let's go. Let's check our second floor para sa ating mga bedrooms. At dahil dyan, akit na tayo sa ating second floor. Di ba, ang bilis lang, pero lahat ng kailangan mo nandito na. Tapos hindi ka pa mahihirapan maglinis. And ang ganda, gusto ko yung mga may ganito sa stairs. Kasi parang, I don't know, feeling ko ba safe siya. Right? And then yung distance, yung measurement ng stairs mo, pwede yung magsasabay na aakyat at bababa. You have a wood handrail and a metal and glass railing. Akyat na tayo. Ay, may landing din siya doon. So you have another landing here. Ang ganda pa kasi may view ka. Like for example, lalabas ka sa room mo. Sisilipin mo yung nasa living area. Pwede mo siyang makita dito. May landing ka dito. Safe for kids and for your elderly. At ang ganda nung drop light. A very pretty drop light. Para sila mga pickup sticks sa mga batang 90s dyan. Kung familiar kayo with the pickup sticks, comment down below kung familiar kayo sa pickup sticks. Okay. Diba? Kita nyo naman. You have 3 rooms sa iyong second floor. And this is your first bedroom. This is what I like about this property. Yung kanyang second floor, yung second floor niya, inalot niya talaga for your bedrooms. Like this one. Diba? Meron kang built-in cabinet. And you still have space. This is your, I'm not sure if kasama yung mattress. Sasama na lang namin sa details sa huli kung kasama yung mga mattresses natin. But you have this bed frame, queen size bed. Maluwang pa yung lakaran mo. You have a good size ng window. Aircon is included, light is included. And, ang luwang. Diba? You can add vanity area here or even a study area if you're a student. Next, this is your next room. Oh, di ba? This is naman a twin size bed. It's a bit smaller than your queen size bed. Pero malaki pa rin siya. Aircon is included. And this is what I like about this. Ang iyong built-in cabinet. Oh, ha? You have a built-in cabinet. And this one, this can serve as your, parang, instead of having a side drawer or side table, ito yung function niya. So if you're reading books, madali mo lang dito ilalagay. Your glasses, your cellphone, pwede dito. And look at your, ayun, sorry, ayun siya. Diba? Oh. Ganon siya ka-seamless. As in kasi yung mga ibang push release na mga cabinets, pag hindi sila seamless, makita mo medyo nakasiwang. Ito sobrang linis ng pagkakagawa ng cabinet niya. Hindi mo alam kung saan mo siya ipupush talaga. Oh, diba? There, you have shelves. Ayan, para sa mga damit mo. Ang seamless nga nitong cabinet. Very nice. Diba? Tsaka maganda rin siya kasi, like if you have kids, di ba kapag small family ka, yung mga handle, baka matamaan yung bata sa ulo. At least a very malinis. Oh, diba? Dito muna tayo sa ating full bath sa second floor. Oh, ha? There. Same as your design ng ground floor. You have your sink, your toilet, and your partition. Floor to ceiling yung glass partition natin. Stainless steel shower set. Floor to ceiling tiles. Glossy yung sa wall natin. Yung sa floor naman natin ay textured. And may portion ka pa doon if you want to put a trash bin. Diba? Ang ganda. Dito na tayo sa ating master bedroom. Wow! Okay. So this is your master bedroom. As you can see, this is for a king-size bed. And umuulan, no? Kita nyo ba? It's raining. Ang laki ng ating, your door going to your balcony. Kung mapapansin nyo yung space dito, spacious pa siya. So if you want to put a side table, you can add a side table or you can also put a study table. Pwede rin dito. Or another couch if you want. Pwede rin. Bago tayo lumabas, I'll show you yung iyong TV area. Very minimalist. Ang maganda pa dito sa property, since very minimalist siya, even the colors are neutral. Hindi ka mahihirapan mamili ng additional na mga gamit or yung mga displays, paintings, anything. Pwede mo siyang ilagay na hindi ka masyadong mag-worry if teterno ba siya sa property because neutral colors and minimalist yung design natin. Pwede mong itayo yung TV dito. Pwede mo rin i-mount dito. You also have your storage here. Oh, push release din siya. Ang ganda. Your floors, you can see glossy ang ating tiles. You have a simple center light. But if you want to add, nai-imagine ko yung hanging side lamp. Diba yun yung nauuso ngayon para hindi masyadong cluttered sa baba. That is so nice talaga dito. Aircon is included. And I'll show you yung ating balcony. Covered naman siya, so you don't have to worry. Ito. Pwede ka maglagay ng coffee table. And then, we have a view of your garden. And yung front ng iyong property. Ganito siya kahaba. L-type siya. Meron kang a little space here. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng something dito. So, you have a little space here. Yan. Para makapaglinis ka rin ng bintana dito. This is really functional. Kasi sabi na, bakit naglagay pa ng ganun ka Kasi pwede ka maglagay pa ng coffee table dito. Or just an intimate, it's like your corner lang. Tapos, mas madali ka pang pag kailangan maglinis ng window, kailangan linisan yung aircon. So, meron tayong dadaanan, di ba? Okay. Pasok na tayo. Siyempre, this is your master bedroom, kaya meron ka, ang dami naman dito. Your walk-in closet, kasama na siya ng iyong bathroom. So, this is your walk-in closet. Grabe, ang dami. Hindi ka talaga tinipid sa storage. And then, this is your vanity area. You can put mirror, sa mga ladies natin dyan. Your makeups. Tapos dito, may mga shelves ka for your bag. Meron ka pang cabinet dito. You can hang your clothes there. May drawer ka sa taas. So, hindi ang ganda. Na-maximize yung space natin sa mga drawers and cabinets natin. This side naman, this is your sink. Sasabihin nila, bakit isa lang? Pwede naman his and hers. But, dahil kasi yung dalawang side, inaalat dun sa mga gamit like iron, toothbrush, toothpaste, no? And it's okay. Para mas madaling makagalaw, no? There. Your vessel type sink and your wide. Sabi ko, bakit kaya hindi pumapasok si Sir Darwin? Kasi pala, wide yung mirror natin, makikita siya. Okay? Ayan. Tapos meron ka pang storage dito. And That window, very functional dahil natural light. Diba? Pag morning, like right now, the time is, what time is it? Around 5 or 6 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken. Pero maliwanag pa rin sa labas. Maliwanag pa rin, kahit napatay mo yung ilaw. Meron pa rin pumapasok na liwanag. But since cam natin, important na makita nyo, ang space dito, you can put a hamper, trash bin, and your shower area. Sobrang laki. Hindi naman sobrang laki, but I mean, it's mas malaki dun sa mga bathroom natin kanina. Enclosed shower area. At hindi siya nakaka-suffocate. Suffocate? Suffocate. Ano bang nangyayari sa akin? You know, kasi meron yung mga claustrophobic talaga, hindi nila kaya yung sobrang ano. Pero this one hindi, oh. Hindi siya. Kasi sa taas, dinig ka pa. At saka may hangin talaga. Nasindihan ko kasi kanina to guys, kaya basa. Sorry na po. Pasensya na. Shower, rain shower, hand shower. Ayan. Floor to ceiling tiles, textured at very spacious din. Oh, nandun yung makagalaw. Bibihis ka. Diba, after mo maligo, hamper, dyan, bihis na. At wide ang yung mirror, look. Pwede mo na rin makita yung outfit mo dito. Right? Okay. That's it. See you sa ground floor para sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is a 2-story modern design residential located in one of the sought-after subdivision in Angeles City. Ideal for first-time home buyers, small families, yung mga single na starting their investment. So this is a really perfect property and investment for you. I did mention na ito ay located in one of the sought-after subdivision in Angeles City with 24-hour security service, a quick drive to North Luzon Expressway. Yung access niya, this is in close proximity to major business establishments, schools, malls, market, hospital, universities, ano pa ba? To the city, doon sa downtown. So ano to? Sa mismong city, mabilis yung biyahe going to the city proper from this location. Also, this is a flood-free community. Madalas mong tinatanong yan sa mga subscribers natin na nagko-comment, is that flood-free? Yes, this is a flood-free community. At may mga amenities din po ang subdivision nito. I did mention a 24-hour security service, tapos wide roads, and meron tayong basketball court, tennis court, badminton court. You have your clubhouse. Meron din silang pool. Ano pa ba? Gym, and tapos meron din silang function hall. Ayan. So, those are the amenities at meron pang mga iba. And if you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can message us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message nyo lang po kami doon sa aming messenger. And meron din kaming mga messaging from different platforms. We have Viber, WhatsApp. We also have WhatsApp. And you also have our contact numbers sa description po ng video na ito kung wala po kayong social media handles. So, nandiyan po yung numbers namin. Email address, nandiyan din po. At if you have Instagram, follow us on Instagram. TikTok, follow us on TikTok because for sure, may mga nakita na kayong reels nitong property na ito before pa ito na-launch dito sa aming YouTube. You can also book your tripping sa akin. Follow me on Instagram, Anna Lalu. Follow me on TikTok as well, Anna Lalu, and yun. Ay, sinabi ko na ba yung TikTok natin? Yeah, BP Pampanga. So, meron na tayong mga reels na nakita before pa ito na-release. You can book your You can book your trippings kahit wala pa po ang full video. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo, guys? Itong property na ito, mabilis po itong, this is a fast-moving product sa mga, sa mga small products. But this kind of property kasi, it's a really good investment, lalo na sa mga first-time home buyers natin. So, what are you waiting for? Tawag na po kayo. Maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong panonood, and to all our subscribers, thank you so much for your comments and for watching all our videos. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks. a two-story modern design. Push release again tayo. Sana maalam ko kung saan ko ipupush tsaka i-release, diba? Hala! Hala! Ayun. Sorry. Kung hindi ka pa naman nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Ano daw? Ulit. Ulitin natin yon. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Okay, nabulol ulit tayo. Isa pa. Okay, ulit.